How's it going, everybody? Nearing the end of personal box break night. Appreciate each and every one of you that came out to hang out with me and all the other LCBers tonight. We got Haig, 2020 Finest. He's going display box mojo. Good luck, man. Haig is going to watch this later. Said his son woke up. He just messaged me and said to just do display. So. Root him on here. 2020 Finest. Probably have some more PYTs of this up next week. Don't trust the Knicks regime. Yeah? Why am I listening to Knicks garbage? That's a good question. 101 Devers. That would be nice, too. See some blue. Okay, Finest first, Dustin May. Nice Robert. The man. Nice Robert base rookie. I'll assume you might want to PSA those, Haig, but let me know. I know it's getting tougher with how expensive it's getting. Chapman out of 150 blue.
Geico Sports Night is brought to you by Geico.
Hoskins insert. Autograph looks like a Seth Brown. Finest firsts. 10 times fast on that, but you can't. Seth Brown, rookie auto. Finest firsts. Refractor rookie Seth Brown. By the way, anybody else need a last minute box? Let me know right now, guys. Anything else small, I don't mind ripping real quick. Otherwise, we'll be logging off after this. Is that orange? Oh, I thought I saw orange. I think it's back of an insert. Alvarez. Nice the man insert as well. 2 nice Roberts and an Alvarez at least. Another auto hiding on this side. Savali rookie refractor. There's a Lux. Trey Turner. Another rookie the man. It's Aquino. Here it is. Jordan Yamamoto. Hey, no Devers. No freaking Devers. Finest first, finest first, finest first, first, finest first, finest first. Yeah, that was a layup, Joe. Well done. Well done, buddy. Puck, Trout, Notani, JD, and KB. Bobby B refractor there. Well, hopefully those Roberts go up for you. Yeah, at first I was trying to like whenever we would hit a Yamamoto, I'd be like, he's actually pretty decent. Could have a decent market, but then he signed everything for 2 straight years. You guys know the rest.